How to download songs from Spotify. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, you have to make sure that your application Spotify is up to date. If not, head over to your App Store and then update it. Once you're running the latest version of the app, the next thing you want to do is head over to your application Spotify. Enter your login credential and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will be landing you on this home page. Now what you want to do is search for any of the song or head over to any of the song that you would like to download. Let's say I would like to download this song. Tap on the song that you are playing. Now click on this three dot at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down and you should see the option where it says download. But as you can see, the download option is not available to me. It's because I do not have the premium version of Spotify. So know that in order to download the song, you must have the premium version of the app. In order to get the premium version, you have to pay a certain amount of money, and then only you'll be good to go. Once you have the premium version, tap on download and the song will be downloaded successfully. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can download songs from Spotify. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.